Okay, what we're going to do today, we're going to repair an Omnistep for a motorhome. What's happened is that piece just there, look, is sheared off. There should be a piece sticking out of there which goes through, and it's held tight by two like plastic sleeves. Now I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to not very good camera angle, but that bit there I'm going to drill through there. I either put some threaded bar or a bolt with a locking nut at each side and some washers in between. So that should sort that job. We'll just centre punch that, just so we can get nice and central. Luckily, it's aluminium is that, so it didn't take much piloting through. So I've put a 3mm pilot through, and we'll just open it up to get a bolt through. Okay, we're through now, so it's just a case of finding a bolt and some washers, and we'll get that connected up. Right, that's repaired that, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace that nut with a nylock, because obviously the step going up and down is going to loosen off. Is that I put a washer in between, and it's operating fine now. So I hope that helps if you've had that break off. Now, I dare say the correct way is to replace that bar, because that piece is connected to there, what goes through, but I can't see about that being a problem. Once I've got a nylock on there, it's not going to go anywhere. A couple of washers, so yeah. So that's an Omnistep repair. We've got the nylock nut on, so that's a good job, and the bolt is just through into the nylon, which will then stop it from undoing each time that step goes retracts back. So that's a good job done. Is that side's probably going to be stronger now than the other side, so I'm awaiting that side to break, but that's a good job done. Is that